आगे बढ़ें.
2. In view of the importance of the presidential reference, senior advocates jurists Mrs. Ali Ahmed Kurd, Tariq Mahmood, Abdul Hafiz Pirzada, Fakhruddin G. Ibrahim, Khalid Anwar, Makhdoom Ali Khan, SM Zafar, Aitzaz Ahsan, Zahurul Haq, and Abdul Latif Afridi are hereby appointed as a Maiki Curai. Ms. Asma Jahangir, President, Supreme Court Bar Association, the Learned Attorney General for Pakistan, and the Learned Advocates General of all the provinces shall also appear and assist the court. 3.
Just 1 minute. So now some of them have passed away.
Yes, my lord.
Mr. Abdul Hafiz Pirzada has passed away.
Mr. Fakhruddin Ibrahim has passed away.
At least 7 Michael Zafar.
The lawyers from KP, they have passed away. 2 lawyers.
SM Zafar, yes, he's passed away.
Mr. Latif Afridi and Mr. Zahurul Haq have also passed away.
And Ms. Asma Jahangir.
And Mr. Asma.
My lord,
We are left with, let's see,
Mr. Tariq Mahmood had excused.
Is Mr. Ali Ahmed Kurd present?
Yeah, कुछ सब तो मौजूद है.
Will you be assisting? Will you be assisting? एक सेकंड
Just 1 minute. कुछ बना दिया इन्होंने.
हमने देख लिया है. आप will you be assisting कुर्ता साहब? Yes, will you be assisting or not? Yes, we can't compel in amicus.
Sir, would you be assisting the honorable court? Yes, sir. If
No, because that's enough. Is Mr. Tariq Mahmood present?
No, I think he's not well. He's excused himself.
And during the course of proceedings,
Kazuri sir, what tashreef rakhin?
on the objection, he had excused.
Mr. Khalid Anwar, is he present?
He also excused himself.
He is?
He excused himself. There is an order of the court on this issue.
Okay, and Mr. Makhdoom Ali Khan?
He's never excused himself. He's not here today.
Not here. Okay, 1 second. So,
And then Mr.
okay, now we are left with who all?
My lord, I am
Mr. Aitzaz Ahsan, where is he?
present on behalf of Mr. Makhdoom Ali Khan. I am present here on behalf of Mr. Makhdoom Ali Khan. He wasn't sure if your lordship will be issuing fresh notices to the amicus because, as noted by your lordship, many of them have passed away.
Bhai, सीधा बात करें ना. Just tell us about Mr. Makhdoom Ali Khan.
My lord, if your lordship so desire, he will be present.
It's not our desire. He has been appointed amicus. Try to understand the matter.
My lord.
We cannot compel an amicus. Will he act as amicus or not?
He will be present, my lord.
He will act as amicus.
Yes, my lord.
Okay, fine. Mr. Aitzaz Ahsan.
Associate, basically, he was amicus in this case before.
Bhai, please answer the question. Don't make a speech. Yes, no.
He was appointed as a lawyer in this case later on in 2012. If you see
Yes, no.
No, sir, because Mr. Farooq Ashtaik has instructed him not to appear in the court after.
Yes, no.
No, sir. No, sorry, not as a amicus, but he was lawyer in the last. If you see the last order,
We have you asked you a long speech. Try to be brief. He doesn't want to come. Okay, fine. Now we're left with only 2 amicus then. One is Mr. Makhdoom Ali Khan, one is Mr. Ali Ahmed Kurd. And Tariq Mahmood Sahab is not well, you said. So we may also consider appointment of substitute amicus, and we'll take on suggestions on board. Just bear that in mind. Please continue reading. Please continue.
Meanwhile, let the original record of the trial of Zulfiqar Ali Bhutto's case be requisitioned from the Lahore High Court, enabling the learned counsel for the referring authority to obtain copies of the same if need be. For preparation of arguments, copies thereof shall also be supplied by him to all the above learned advocates. The office is directed to put up a note for constituting a larger bench.
Then the larger bench was constituted.
My lord,
Any significant order that we need to read?
My lord, there was one order.
One order I would like to
We'll come to you, Mr. Farooq. Now, relax.
Okay.
My lord, there is this one order which related to, this is 3/5/2011.
3/5?
2011.
3/5, not 2/5.
3/5.
G.
My lord.
3/5 पढ़िए.
G. Dr. Babar Awal, learned senior ASC, has addressed arguments at a considerable length, making reference to a number of documents to assist the court for the purpose of answering the questions framed in the reference.
2/5.
The learned counsel has also
Sorry, General, we just have 2nd of May, not 3rd.
3rd of May, sir.
No.
हाँ नहीं तो इनका कसूर तो नहीं है.
No copy of order dated
3/5/2011.
There is a 2nd May, and after 2nd May it was adjourned to 3rd May, and then
We just don't have the order.
you don't have it.
2/5 है, but the main file I have. So what we need to do also is make copy of the entire order sheets.
नहीं वो है दूसरी फाइल है
आप दूसरे फाइल है कह रहे हैं.
ब्लू फाइल देखें
Different file है. चलो इकट्ठा कर.
चलिए पढ़ लेते हैं. Let's hear.
I'll read out slowly.
Yes, please
I'll read out slowly.
वो निकलवा लीजिए 3-5 वाला जजेस के लिए. आपको भी निकालना है. जी
ये अब slowly मैं जरा पढ़ूंगा.
please read it.
G. The learned counsel has also moved an application, contents whereof are reproduced herein below, that the in charge of police station Ichra, Lahore, may be directed to produce the entire record along with register number 9 in respect of case against Mr. Zulfiqar Ali Bhutto.
1 second, Mr. Attorney General, just a second. We just found the order.
My lord.
There's a separate file with all the orders
Yes.
in it. So just a second.
Yes.
And
D.
page 32 पे. जी you reading from the second पूरा ही पढ़ लेना. Dr. Babar Rahman.
G. Dr. Babar Rahman, learned senior ASC, has addressed arguments at a considerable length, making reference to a number of documents to assist the court for the purpose of answering the questions framed in the reference. The learned counsel has also moved an application, contents whereof are reproduced herein below, that the in-charge police station Ichra, Lahore, may be directed to produce the entire record along with register number 9 in respect of case against Mr. Zulfiqar Ali Bhutto, former Prime Minister of Pakistan, in order to establish that the case was consigned after due investigation and on whose directions the same was reopened. 2. That the above request is made in the interest of justice. Next para. We consider that the production of the aforesaid record is just and proper during the hearing of the case. Therefore, the learned Advocate General Punjab is directed to procure the same in safe custody and produce it before the registrar, which will be examined in accordance with law. I can skip the next para. Qazi Muhammad Ashraf, learned senior advocate, has joined the proceedings as amicus. The office is directed to facilitate him. And
When is Mr. Qazi Ashraf present?
He's not present today.
So he was another amicus.
Yes, my lord. And he appeared also a few times before this.
He's well?
He's well. I met him yesterday in the High Court.
And
he's okay. He's well. He's hard of hearing. He's hard of hearing a little bit.
practice कर रहे हैं इतना.
जी प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं मगर उनके अब जरा क्या कहते हैं थोड़े से
कराची वाले काजी अशरफ.
कराची वाले
Okay, I know.
कराची वाले
ठीक.
G.
Any other order you would
So
like?
next following order, because this was
let's read it.
record of the police station.
4th May.
4th May. Dr. Babar Rahman, learned senior ASC, has addressed arguments and reads out various documents of league order sheets of the High Court. 2. Khwaja Haris Ahmed, learned Advocate General Punjab, stated that the record of investigation of FIR number 402/1974, initially conducted wherein the case was consigned on 1/10/1974, being untraced, has not been made available. However, it is pointed to him that normally 4 copies of the police record are prepared. Therefore, further efforts should be made to locate the relevant record.